Hi, in this video, we are going to take a look at what we are going to build throughout this NFT Marketplace section. This is the final output of our decentralized application, which is like a really simple NFT Marketplace, which has two contracts inside. Before that, let's take a look at the landing page. So this is actually the market page. And in here, we can see the listed NFTs with their price, description, and name. If I click on buying, since these are mine, it's going to show us an error saying that it's already mine, as you can see. Inside, we have three more options. So the first one is wallet. The wallet is going to show which NFTs I own. And when I click on wallets, it's going to say loading NFT data. And after the loading is finished, it's going to render the actual NFTs. And some of them are already listed in the main page. But if I click on a listed one, for instance, Juventus, it's going to load the details about it with the type, supply, and owner. And since this is already listed, it's going to render the price of the listing, and we will have the option to cancel the listing. But if I go back to wallet and click on something that is not listed, show the NFT data, but this time I will have the option to sell NFT where I can input a number, and this number is going to be the price of the NFT that we are selling. And the other page we are going to implement is a contract info, which gets the metadata of the contracts that we are dealing with. As I said, we have two main contracts. The first one is the NFT collection itself. So in here, we actually mint our NFTs. The second contract being the marketplace itself, and it's selling the NFTs that we have minted in the NFT contract. So they are connected. In this contract info, we are just showing the metadata of the contracts. For the NFT marketplace, we have name, description, and symbol. But for the NFT collection contract, we also have the fee recipients and the seller fee basis points, which we are getting from the contract itself. And the last page we are going to take a look at is the mint. And inside here, I can just provide a name, description, and image URL for an NFT. Then I can mint my own NFT. And after that, I can go to the wallet page to sell the NFT that I have just minted right now. So this is what we are going to build throughout this section, and I hope to see you in the implementation videos.